So I was in Walmart the other day, I saw this for sale and I thought, let's give it a try. So I've heard about the Anker brand on sites like Amazon before, but I've never actually bought one. So today we're gonna look at the SoundCore Select by Anker. Now I tried to find this exact speaker on Amazon just to compare pricing, and I couldn't find this exact one. The closest one I could find is SoundCore 2. So I may have to get that one just to do a comparison. So you can see on the front that this is water resistant. It has 24-hour playtime, and it also has enhanced audio. Here's some of the specs on the back for some of you that are interested in that sort of thing. This has Bluetooth 4.2 and NFC. Wireless range is 66 feet, which that actually seems pretty good. Normally I see around 30 some feet. 24-hour battery life, IPX5 water resistance, and it also has a built-in microphone. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what we've got. So it comes with a pretty thick owner's manual with a lot of different languages, but we probably don't need that. So it comes with a typical micro USB charging cable. So that's pretty much it. It comes with an owner's manual and a micro USB charging cable. So as for the speaker itself, it feels like really nice quality. And again, this is my first Anker speaker that I've had, but I've got to say this feels really nice. So it's almost completely covered with this TPU rubber-like material. I'm not sure if you can see on camera, but it does have the Anker logo etched in the back, which is a nice touch. Looks like you've got a nice sealed cover for the auxiliary jack and the charging port. On the front, you can see it's just a real plain speaker grill. And you can see the two 6-watt speakers on each side. On the top is just a real simple design. You've got your power, volume down, play and pause, volume up, Bluetooth, and your NFC indicator light. I think the buttons stick out just enough so you can tell what you're hitting without actually looking. So let's go ahead and get it connected and see how it sounds. So is the Anker SoundCore Select worth it? Well, the Anker SoundCore speakers on Amazon are one of the most popular budget choices, with about a 4.5 star average rating. And while this Select version seems to be a Walmart exclusive, I would have to agree that the build quality and the sound you get for the price is pretty good. Now, is this speaker perfect? No. I would like to see a little more bass on these smaller budget speakers, but in reality, if you want a lot of bass, you're gonna have to go with a bigger size speaker. Now, there is one thing that happened when using this speaker. Once in a while, when I would go to pause the music from the speaker, it would just start playing again all by itself, and I'm not sure why. And it wouldn't happen every time, only once in a while. Personally, I don't think this should start playing again until I hit play. It did seem to work a little bit better when I would try to control it from my phone instead of directly on the speaker. But with all that said, I would definitely buy this speaker again and probably start looking at other Anker speakers in the future. Don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up if you haven't already. This is Brian from Fishbee Productions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.